Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a quick reaction video that I'm about to do because you know the lies that we are talking about is not on a particular individual, but you see most of the people that I will talk and carry, they have it as a fun. They're driving joy, telling lies to their friends. So without wasting much of your time, you are about to hear an exposition from this lady called Judith Osazuwa. She made something very spectacular, against this guy you are seeing here, Van Van Van, revealing how Van Van lied to their friends, and not only that, that she is the one that told him how to use egg to do incantation or sacrifice and all that. I'm not here to talk down on her, but the only thing that made me to react on this is for us to know the source of the eggs of Chiamaka Jere started using voodoos and all that, and the source of it, and how Chiamaka lied to Biafrans on his live stream that he was on call with the Holy Ghost and all that. So now I know the reason why they don't criticize Adada for making her way to contact men on ground, because all of them have committed the same offense. Okay? Even Chiamaka is talking with men on ground. According to what you're going to hear here, what you're going to hear from this lady called Judith Osazuwa. So just pay attention and let's go there. All right? It's very, very important, very, very interesting. Let us listen to him, to her rather. Just pray. But before then, please like this video and make sure you share the video to every platform of your choice. Pay close attention. I hope the audio will be audible enough for you to capture everything that she's going to say here. Let's go there.
It is only a matter of time. Your friends will know you and they are going to stone you. Yes. You are a liar. I want to tell you one of the lies you have told Biafran. You told Biafran that you are live with Holy Ghost. But I was on phone with Holy Ghost.
You told the Biafrans that you are live with the Holy Ghost. But I was on call. I was on phone with the Holy Ghost. Are you getting the point? Meaning that even Osazuwa herself is in contact with men on ground. This is just, like I said, an eye-opener for some of you to begin to connect the dots, because when we are questioning Adadorama, how is it possible for you to feel comfortable talking to men on ground, bragging about it? She's not alone. She's not alone. Listen.
To tell you that you are a liar. And the lies you are giving to Biafra is not going to last long. Because what we are doing is spiritual. More spiritual than you can never, ever imagine. I told you to do egg sacrifice.
Okay.
Now you begin to use it as a spectacle.
I told you to do egg sacrifice. Then now you take it too far. Use it as a spectacular. And this is the lady that told Chiamaka Jere to do egg sacrifice. Now let's continue.
You know how the gods works. I identify you immediately and call you to use the egg to do sacrifice. And you don't know the reason why that sacrifice was done. That sacrifice made me to understand that behind it may be him more. Yes.
So she is the one that reached out to Chiamaka Jere, told Chiamaka Jere to do egg sacrifice. Okay? Let us take it back a bit. So that it not be as if I'm the one that said it too.
Why that sacrifice was done. That sacrifice made me to understand.
Okay, let me take it back a bit.
Spiritual. More spiritual than you can ever imagine. I told you to do egg sacrifice.
Okay.
You now begin to use it as a spectacle. You don't know how the gods works. I identify you immediately and call you to use the egg to do sacrifice. And you don't know the reason why that sacrifice was done. That sacrifice made me to understand that behind it may be him more. Yes. Ogini Dehanya, Gil Nantotsugi. you will tell Biafrans ebe unu wụrụ ahụ, ebe unu hapụrụ akwa unu. Unu ga-agwa Biafrans. Oge ahụ eteghịzi aka. Everything that you wanted to do in the month of March, hand markets, were you able to exhibit it? I saw you on a platform with Azuka and Co.
Okay, meaning that Chiamaka Ajere is still in contact with Azuka. I saw you in a platform with Azuka. Azuka Wankwo. According to Judith, what she said here. You guys don't know what, these people the business they're doing, behind the scene is second to none. Remember, Onowu, I don't know who is, is a right-hand man or the best friend to Azoka. In fact, I was told that she called Azoka my daughter. Okay? Meaning that all this thing going on now is a fight for revenge against US. Now listen.
I want to tell you something you know nothing about.
Okay.
You will see.
Now, and this guy will come on his platform and begin to tell you that that everybody that is enemy to PM, they have brought them back. These guys are having meeting, Gaddafi own happened accidentally, and they ran away from that. They now decided to host the meeting with them, of course, behind the scene. For you to understand what they're doing. They will be the one to criticize US. Oh, you are bringing enemies of PM to that. These people, oh my goodness. Anyway, just hear it for yourself, because I may do exposition on this on our main platform. But for you to have an idea of what is going on, that's why I'm doing this quick reaction. Listen.
And you are going to be confused. I want to tell you that the God I serve is so amazing that whatsoever you stone against me will come back to you in 100folds. As I'm leaving this message to you, it's the same way I'm leaving this message to the people that think they are talking Biafra and they are talking another thing. People like networks, so that I will not call their names. It's only one name I'm going to call on this video. Mazi Osondo, our market. Mazi Osondo Donaro, our market.
I don't know the Mazi Osondo. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know the person at all. What can they buy in Europe? Oka Samperians, now what I can TV. They are all Samperians, to be honest. The way they are eager for money. Anyway.
I'm going to social media. I promise.
Small again, I'm able to ban social media. Although Nanka. And these people, she take available. Anyway, let's hear.
Only fan. Bank and get buzotinya. Ke maka nwunye ofo ye no. Ke maka nwunye nke noro onogomo. Na market. Ndarura. Kini patari jwe kota mtambia for restoration.
Anyway, I don't want to go through those ones again. Let's just have the main topic here is that Chiamaka Jere, that this lady is the one that called him to, direct him on how to use egg sacrifice on Biafrans. And Chiamaka Jere, lied to Biafrans. Of course, that one is. I'm not surprised about it, because it is something that everybody should know by now. Then that the Chiamaka and the Ogenkere group are still have their group. They are working with Azoka Wanko. Anyway, I'm not gonna make any comment on that. All of you should hit like, but like the comment section. Go to comment section and tell us what you think about it. Like I said, maybe we may bring this issue on our live stream. But before then, like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. God bless you, and tell us, like I said, what do you think about this. God bless you, and bye bye for now.